Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Epi Boys. I just want to introduce to you guys this new platform that I've been already trading with all this while, this binary.com. So, just want to encourage you guys that have been trading, not having consistent or not like having a winning trades. So you can also start up with binary.com. It's a very good platform to trade on. You can trade on binary, so I'll give you guys a good strategy tips on how you can trade, and this is a updated version of my strategy. I have a lot of strategy you can use, and we have a lot of options. Understand, you can trade with on this binary.com. So without not wasting much talks, I will give you guys this strategy so really quick. So on my next video I will tell you guys, I will show you guys how you can register with them or sign up with binary account and verify your account. So this is a demo. You can start up with a demo account on my strategy, and you can see we have a lot of funding options. We have USD, Bitcoin. You can trade them with Bitcoin and other things. So without wasting much time, I'll show you how this strategy works. It works is 100%. So if you want to trade with this strategy, you need a two window split. You need a two window split that can divide your screen. If your phone or your device has a two window split, good for you. If it doesn't have, you can download your two window split. I'll put the link down below where you can get yours, neither on your iOS, Apple Store or Play Store. It depends on which phone you are using. So just once you come at, or once you are on this background, just select on you click on your synthetic index, then select volatility 10 index. That's what we'll be trading on. So as you are setting up this, you're also setting up at the other side. You understand? This is the first window. Then set your digits. Set your digit to high and low. I'm showing you this as high and low. So I just want you guys to be profitable on your trading. Even though you don't trade forex, you can still make money with binary.com. So it depends on what you like and what you are good at. You understand? If you're not good at forex trading, you can be good at this. You can also make money. This time around these days, now things are not going well. People don't have work. People are not employed. You can make money directly from your home, from your bedroom, from your parlor, wherever you are. You understand? So select on ticks 5. Duration will be tick 5s. So on my barrier offsets, you have to set your barrier offsets. This is the updated version. You can still check on my old YouTube channel. I'll show you guys my old YouTube channel. This is the updated version. The barrier offset will be plus. I'm just changing everything plus 0.09. Understand? 0.09. Then it depends on what you want to risk. Let's assume you want to risk $1 on this. Your paid ad will be 2.39 USD. So this is, we call it arbitrary trading. So normally you won't lose on this trade. On any trade you are doing, you won't lose. You always win on your trade. So do the same as volatility 10, high and low, higher and lower, everything duration 5 ticks. Understand? Then your barrier offset here, you have to set it to minus 0.09. So it will be like to change everything. Understand? The upper one will be high and the down click will be lower. So everything will be at the same amount and the same duration. And if you are clicking this, you have to click it with both hands. Click at the same time. You click the higher and you also click the lower. So that's how this works. That's how it works. And I guarantee you that this strategy works 100%. You will not lose on any of your trades. So it's a very good. You can see the amount how we have about 11,291.33. So we are risking only $2 on this trade. If you are your payout for this will be about 0.39 cents. So see how this works is that once you click high and you click lower, your payout here will be, if what, let's say you lose one and you win one, you understand, you lose one, you win one, the one that won covers the loss that of the other one. So that's how it works. So I have to purchase this so that you see. I have to click at the same time. See how it goes. So this for 5 ticks. Either it goes higher or it goes lower. It will never lose. Either it goes higher or it goes lower. So you can see our first trade here. This one lost and this one win. So this one that won will cover the loss of this. So you take another trade. You can take as much as any trade you want at any time. At any time you purchase, at any time, at any amount. Let's say you purchase again. Can depends if you can make $10 in a day. That's a very nice opportunity for you. If you can't even trade for it, you can easily make money with this. It's very easy. It's very easy. At comfort of your home, you trade it. So you can see we won one and we lose one. So this is how the strategy works. You can do like 10 trades per day. It depends. You can also put maybe $10, stake only $10. You stake $10 here, then your payout will be 23.94 cents. So if you are making money on this, that means your payout will be your net. Let's say that you stake $10 here, stake $10 here, then once you won one and this one, the other one lose, you will be like, it will minus $20. Understand? To minus $20 from your account. Then your profits, the profit that you make out from there will be $3.94. You understand? So without not saying much, I have to take this trade. You click at both time. Click at the same time. It works perfectly. So in my next video, I will show you guys how to set things up and how to open an account and other things. You can see it's 100% working. You are not losing. You have nothing to lose on this trade. You have nothing to lose. So I can take minimum of 10 trades or any kind of trade in any time. It will never lose. It won't lose. This is like a hack. It's like a trick. It's a trick. You see? So that is it. So have a nice day, guys. Have a nice time. Have to make this.